If you're feeling as if you're confused or conflicted within your faith life, I think it's important to come to Embody because you can work through your everyday faith life in ways with service and in ways with beauty. And I think it's important for every young adult to go through a process like this to really discover who they are and to discover what type of Christian personality you should bring to the world.
Previous to coming here, I wasn't super spiritual, but walking around St. Mary's and seeing like the St. Michael like pictures and statues everywhere, and then like the very like quiet, like full of nature like spaces to pray has brought out like a more spiritual side to me, and it has made me like enjoy like being on like a Christian like Catholic campus, being able to see that my faith is all around me as well, and like not having it to have to be like a separate aspect, like it being able to like be part of like my academic life at St. Mary's.